Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you on this wedding ring how to make a comfort ring. I will use our outside lathe and inside lathe machines and it will be a really quick process. I want to demonstrate you how to make a comfort ring. What is a comfort ring? I will make inside, outside and side of my ring in round shape. So it will be a really comfortable to put on. I will start the first process with inside lathe. I have a inside lathe collet in my hand. As you see, it's made in different shapes. So it's made to fix the ring inside the collet. I will fix my ring inside the collet and fix the collet inside the machine. We just fix the ring to the collet. It's perfectly fixed, as you can see. Then the next step is put the collet to the machine. From the back of my inside lathe machine, I'm locking the collet and it's ready to run and start my manual operation. I will push the round head towards the ring and my round head can move inside the ring so I can make the shape which I want. I can make the form. Now I'm starting my machine first and the next step is the operation. I have to set my ring first. I'm checking, I'm changing the setting a little bit. Until I find the right position to make my ring. But don't think that you have to make this setting each time you are making each ring. When you make a first ring and you have different rings in same size, you will use the same setting, so the process will be much faster. I can say that that's a 10-second process. Right now I'm trying to find the right settings for the perfect round. I made my right setting and I finished in less than 10 seconds inside the round of my ring. You can change the settings of your machine and make this round a little bit high, a little bit lower. But that setting is, according to my experiences, perfect round for a comfort ring. I finished my work with Bulunmaz inside lathe machine. So next step I will move to the outside machine. I am taking out my ring from the collet. My ring is done inside. You can see inside is perfect comfort round. That will be a really comfortable ring. Now it's time to make the round on top of my ring and the side of my ring. To give the round shape out of my ring and sides of my ring, I will use a special collet. I will use that special size 2mm collet without a set on the sides. We normally have a set just end of the collet so the ring can fit there well, but because I will use it on the sides and on the top with a high radius, I have to use that collet without a set on it. And as I told you, this size is 2mm in this model. I am fixing my collet on the Bulunmaz lathe machine and I am fixing the ring over the collet. You have to be a little bit careful because there is no set. You have to fix the ring carefully with your eyes. When it's ready to run. You can order your special collets. You don't have to have our Bulunmaz lathe machine. You may have other brand of lathe machine or faceting machines. You can send us the drawing of your collets. We are producing collets on ourselves on our CNC machines, CNC lathe machines. That's why you can order us any special size of collets. I'm starting the operation. I'm making outside the ring. It's a totally manual process. It's a totally mechanical machine. So your hand skill must be a little bit good. But don't worry, after a little bit of practice, you will be pretty good in hand skill for making your settings manually. I'm checking carefully if I'm cutting the right angle at the right place. when I'm making the round setting, you must see that the left and right side are both cutting the same degree, so you can be sure that your ring will be a perfect round, not a round to the left and not a round to the right. It's almost finished. I already find the right degree and I'm making the round of my ring. I made an average radius for you. It's a comfort ring now, inside and outside. I'm turning around my ring. You can see that all the sides are perfect and you have a simple shiny comfort ring outside now. I made inside my ring, then I made outside my ring, and now it's the third process, the last process, to sides of my rings. I will make round shape around my rings to complete my comfort ring. I have to take out the collet without a set and put the last collet with a set. That's the collet I use for outside my ring. It's without a set, so it can be worked comfortably. Then I will use my standard collet with a set to make the sides of my ring. I will fix the ring on the collet and I can use on the sides and then change the other side and use again. I'm fixing my collet for the third time, for the last time, to make the sides of my ring. Then I will make the necessary setting and start my machine. First, the round shape will be on one side of my ring. The setting is a little bit important, so when you have our lathe machine, don't forget to request for a video call. Our technical guys will teach you, will guide you with this operation. It seems quick, but you have to be a little bit experienced to make these settings. I'm making the round shape on first side. And it's done on one side. I'm changing my ring to the other side. As you see, the other side is not ready yet. Then I will complete my cut on the other side. The settings are same. Don't forget to put oil. I'm putting oil to cut the more smooth, better. Then I'm making the last touch on my comfort ring. I'm using a diamond tool. That's 2mm 180 size. You can also order diamond tools to us. We have all types of diamond tools. We also repair, repolish. That's my comfort ring, totally completed. You can see all the sides are round shape, and as its name, it's a really pretty comfortable ring to wear. Let's have a close look on our comfort ring. It has a totally round shape. It's ready to wear. You can see the surface of my ring totally round. The sides are round, both sides, and inside is of course round. It's a totally cubic shape, pretty comfortable to wear on. I used inside lathe machine and then outside lathe machine. These came in a pack. I have a question often, why you have two machines for inside and outside lathe? Do you want to make more money? No, it's not about money. We already tried several times to make one machine to make inside and outside in the same machine, but we have many complaints, many problems after sale. Why? Because when we make the same machine for inside and outside, you have to change the attachment. That takes almost 15 to 20 minutes. And several times of change, let's say after 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, you have big precision problems inside the machine, and then your machine's lifetime is almost 70% down. Let's say you can use this machine 10 years, 12 years without a problem, And if you are changing every day inside and outside, your machine lifetime goes to 2 years, 2.5 years. That's really a bad experience for us. If you have more questions about our bulunmaz lathe machine, I put WhatsApp number and email address of our guys down on the descriptions. You can write and contact us for any kind of questions. If you already purchased, ordered a set of our lathe machines, don't forget to request a video call so you can talk to our technical guys and get a detailed training, because these videos are pretty short and there are many tricks which our guys can teach you much better on the video call. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching us, and see you again in the next videos.